I swear, if this girl gets the dang soap, I'm gonna be so...
What language are you speaking?
Same language as you!
True statement! Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Today, I am here by the one, the only, Joey Graceffa.
That is right!
She did a hair whip. She is ready to come play.
I know, I was like, oh, I wish I had a hair bow, but I don't.
You need a bow.
Should I put one in?
Yeah, I was gonna say, take one of those. Okay, yes.
Oh,
Style, I love it. You guys, today I'm here with Joey Graceffa, and we are about to do the Mystery Wheel of Slime Challenge.
wow, that sounds real intense.
It is real intense. So what's going to happen is we're both going to get white glue and also the activator that we need for it. But then we're going to spin this wheel, and whatever it lands on, we have to put in our slime, and we're just gotta... Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna go for just yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm excited about it.
Woo!
Yes, slime. I feel like I should tell them everything that we have here. Should we explain?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, we have clay, squishies, beads, bosicles, hands up, glue, paint, foam, bows.
Woo!
I did it! You're the guest here, you go first.
Okay. Honestly, I want that blue glitter so badly.
I know, I love the glitter.
Please, blue glitter.
What do you want? Glitter. What do you want?
Oh,
glitter,
you both get it?
No, but I'm encouraging you.
Oh my gosh, that's the best. Wait, do I get all of it or just some?
Whatever you want. You're mystery slime. I want the flow. I'm really feeling flow.
Ooh.
Got lots of colors of it too. Come on.
I'm gonna add a blue.
Flow. Yes. Putting pink in and yellow in. Your time to shine.
Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, what do I want now? I guess I want the green foam or a bow.
Oh, well, kind of. It's a squishy
A
bow.
squishy bow.
Look at that slow rise.
Oh.
That's everything.
2 bows in there.
You got dual bows?
Your turn.
I'm hoping that I get the bowsicle. All I want in life is a bowsicle.
This?
Yes.
No, I want it.
No, I want it.
No, me.
No, me.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, well, it's my turn. Go on, bowsicle.
I swear
Bowsicle.
she gets this.
I want a bowsicle. No. Ah!
What's that?
Bowsicle.
No!
Yes, I got the bowsicle.
This is weird. How is this happening?
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Oh, and there's a bow in it too. I forgot about that.
Oh.
I get this bow.
That is magical.
Isn't that everything? And usually if you were to do it like normal, phew, and they go everywhere.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
I want the beads. Come on, beads!
Oh, wait, that's a good one.
How is that gonna interact with my slime?
It makes it butter slime.
Really? Okay, you're up.
That is everything. I'm so happy for you. Now I want to get clay so I can have the yellow one.
Okay.
Clay. Come on. I want the clay.
Don't give her the clay. Don't give her the clay.
No.
Don't give her the clay.
Come on. Okay, I got glitter glue. I like glitter glue. This is going to be making my slime.
You're just literally completely taken over by the bowsicle.
It's just bowsicle and glitter magicness.
Is this soap?
Yeah, it's JoJo hand soap.
We could put soap in the slime?
Yeah, it makes it the noises, so the noises are extra.
Oh, we love extra
I
noise.
went through a phase.
Come on, beads, give me them. I need them.
It wants the beads.
We will call that beads
Yeah.
because this was missing.
Yeah, that can be beads. I'll give you beads. If that thing was there, yeah. What if I just knocked it in?
No! Don't you mess with my slime!
Let's knock it. I want hand soap or I want the paint. Yeah. Come on. I don't want to look. I'm not going to look. Tell me if I get it. What did I get? I'm scared.
You got the clay.
Yes! I wanted clay too. Not this
Listen.
round, but... Oh my gosh. Magical.
I just want to take a bite out of it. Okay, so do we each get one more spin?
Yep, one more spin.
Alright, let's see. I guess I just want some green foam.
You got the flow? Or you got the
Oh.
bows? I love that you're sticking within like the blue theme, but then you have the one pink squishy in there.
Yep.
Love that.
Okay.
I want the soap.
I swear, if this girl gets the dang soap, I'm gonna be so...
I got the soap.
I like need to like keep you around.
Wow, I it. I'm really happy about this. Here we go. It's the JoJo hand soap.
It's glittery hand soap. Hand soap.
Wow. Okay, now we got all of our ingredients in our slime. We mix. Let's put this in and then mix, I think. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
With our hands? I mean, I feel like we have to.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
go for it. I'm gonna start with a little, and then I'm gonna add more as I go. Oh gosh. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, this is weird. I don't like mixing it with my hands.
What is happening?
Look at it, it's pretty.
Oh my god.
It looks like
Mine?
unicorn.
Mine is gorgeous.
They're both good, honestly. It's that clay that has to get mixed in.
Yeah, how do you do that?
Not doing it for me. I am so happy with this.
That's what the inside of your brain looks like.
Yes, 100%. The mixing actually is the longest part of this.
It's honestly a workout.
Yes.
Uh-oh, mine looks like intestines. I think you added too much activator. You sabotaged
I
me.
did not sabotage. That looks good, Joey.
What are you talking
That
about?
looks so good.
Okay. Yeah, it looks great.
You need some sequin.
Woo.
You want some glitter?
What kind of glitter?
I have extra glitter.
Woo!
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Woo! Gotta have gold glitter on it. Oh gosh.
Wow.
How'd you get yours so good?
I'm just the king of slime.
It's coming off my hand.
Oh,
Look at it. Ah!
Woo!
My slime.
Honestly, this feels just like a giant gumball.
This is everything.
Doesn't it feel like just a giant gumball?
Yes, and you have to like chew it and like stretch it. Epicness.
Wow. Okay, yours is...
What?
Okay, even though I did not get this, I want to add Floam to mine. Is that
Do
okay?
it. Go for it, Joey. I am having so much fun right now. This is awesome. Why did this slime turn out so good?
I don't know. Honestly, it was the mystery wheel.
Yes, it was. Okay, well now that our slime is done, I think that we're done.
I guess so. I feel like mine just looks like solid blue.
Mine looks like glittery mess and I'm loving it.
So beautiful. I'm jealous.
Whoa, yours texture is like so good.
Very rubbery.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, well, when we continue to play with our slime, I'm gonna outro this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Be sure if you are new to press that red subscribe button, join my family, do all the things. But go head over to Joey's channel because we did a really awesome video over there and you guys do not want to miss it. The link will be down in the description. And I tell you guys, that's a real fun.